my new strategy to scale big with webinar. Hey, my name is Fabio. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Alright, so the strategy that I'm using, I'm going to share with you my screen right now, and I'm going to show you, look at this. This is Google Ads, and this right here, this webinar, this is the test that I did. You know, I spent $10, almost 10 euros. I've got 240 clicks, and you know, the conversion rate, which was 24 opt-ins, which is low. But with these $10, I made a one sale of the 16.90 plan of Builderall. So this webinar, it's converting, and I've got other sales off of YouTube from this webinar. So it's converting really well. And now I'm going to scale this webinar, and I'm going to share with you how I'm doing it right now. Yeah, I did this drawing where I'm going to share with you exactly how I do it. And then I'm going to show you the webinar page itself, the old one, the one that's converting like this, and I'm also going to share the new one, so that way I will improve the opt-in rate. And then also I'm going to share with you the page of the webinar itself. Okay, so here we go. All right, so first we have the traffic. I'm using Google Ads and YouTube to send traffic to my webinar. So the first thing we want to do is we want to send the traffic to a capture page. We're going to have an opt-in. Here's the landing page, and we're going to collect their email right here. And yeah, we're going to add it to the autoresponder, and then we're going to have the first email right there. Once they enter their email, they're going to be redirected to the webinar. Here, you know, I'm going to have the video of the webinar. On that video, I also have a pop-up where they can join with the affiliate link at the end. Also scarcity. This first email, which is sent straight away, I will send them back to the webinar in case they got off the webinar or they just closed the window. 2 hours later, and this email is crucial, as I will be inviting them that I will give them this special bonuses, which is I will ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Instagram, but in this case I'm not using Instagram, just YouTube and Facebook group. You can add any social media you want. And the reason we're doing this is easy reachability sources that with posts, with stories, I can then reach them again. You know, do videos on YouTube, on the group, provide value, and I keep in touch with them, and then down the line give them value and sell them. On day 2, again, I send them another email sending them back to the webinar page. On day 3, again, I send them to the webinar. Day 4, send them again to the webinar. And on these emails, I am showing them my results, my student results, and I'm telling them how they are missing out, not joining this incredible way to make money, this training. And on day 6, again, I send them back to the easy reachability sources and also to the webinar. Very important that I'm sending them to my social medias. That way I can reach them down the line and build that know, like, and trust. On the 7th day, again, I send them to the webinar page. And the reason I have all these follow-ups is because, you know, most people buy when they see an offer for like 6th, 7th, and 8th time. So it's very important that we keep sending emails. On day 10, also send again to the webinar. On day 11, to the webinar. On day 12, again, send them to the webinar page. And there's no way they will not see the webinar. And on day 13, again to the webinar. Then on day 13, I do an automation on my autoresponder and I move them to my other list, which is the Make Money Online list. And on this list, I have a follow-up where again, I provide them with value, good content, and once in a while an offer. And there you go. So that's how I'm doing. Now here on let me share with you the first capture page that I had that I've sent, $10 for, and I made a conversion was with this landing page. Now I've improved it, and watch, this is the old version of it. Now watch the new version. There you go. So this is the new version. I have bullet points. It's made to get the better opt-in rate. So when people click here, yes, I want more, a pop-up will come, and I say right away, request private invite. It's special, something that they have. It's special, and I see here, act fast, limited spots on the bottom. Scarcity. Also, one thing very important that I did here, your invitation link will be sent to the email address provided below. This is very important because this makes sure that they enter their correct email and not just any email to get access to the webinar and to everything that the bullet points, everything that I tell them that I give them here, and also show them how I went from 0 to 20,000 promoting just one product. So now let me share with you the masterclass, which is the webinar itself. It's very simple, yet it's converting, and I'm very excited about that. So right here I have your webinar is in progress. Do not close window or presentation will end. I have that blinking over there. And then here I have the webinar, and note that when I watch this, let me hit play. So the webinar here, as they go into the webinar, it doesn't show nothing, but then more to the end where I have more here, which is I have the call to action. Then I show my affiliate link here at the end. This pops up. So this is a pop-up. You can do this inside of Builderall. And then here I have the testimonials, and I have again for them to start right away. And there's a button with the affiliate link. Very simple. That's the webinar that I'm sending them to. That's what's converting. Yeah, I wanted to share with you this strategy that I'm using, and it's how I'm gonna scale now. I'm gonna, since I have the opt-in, ready to get more opt-ins, and if it's already converting with the low opt-in rate, now with this new landing page, the open rate is gonna be much higher, and therefore I'm gonna freaking scale this up. Yeah, and so that's it. I hope that it was value to you. You can definitely use this strategy. It works really well. It's kind of simple, but it does really work if you do it the way that I do it here, and if you put all that follow up and you get them on your social media, right? If you do all of that right, and of course if you have a good webinar, you can definitely pull it off. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Also, if you want to see the webinar itself in action and everything, I will actually leave a link below for the webinar so you can check it out below. Don't forget also, if you know somebody that will benefit from this strategy, please share with them. That's it. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. You are freaking amazing. I do believe in you 100%, and you got this. If you're failing a lot, it means you're growing. Keep digging the hole. You will get there. Cheers and have a blessing day.